Look at all these nutrition products. Did you know 3 out of every 4 Americans use supplements? Just like I use supplements, you probably use some too. But the question is, do they work? Do you know what these products are doing for your body? Is there scientific validation that backs them up? Sadly, many companies claim to have science that supports their products, but most truly don't. Sure, there are many studies here and there on individual ingredients, but most of these ingredients don't get used in the vast majority of commercial products. Very few companies actually have clinical results. That is, results from double-blind, placebo-controlled trials that have been conducted on their actual finished products. In truth, there is very little understanding of what products can and can't do, and whether they'll improve your health. In short, it is possible that many supplements are doing virtually nothing to improve our health. There's one company that clearly stands out from the crowd by providing proven, scientifically validated nutrition solutions. When this company talks about having legitimate, bona fide science to back their products, they're telling the absolute truth. Victory Nutrition International, or VNI, boasts more than 40 peer-reviewed published clinical studies on their actual finished products. Not studies on individual ingredients, but studies on the actual finished products, all conducted in clinical settings under the identical recognized regulations and parameters used by legitimate medical and scientific research. And this platform of scientific integrity and excellence supporting VNI's proprietary world-class nutritional products positions VNI as a valid beacon of health, hope, and abundance for people around the globe. More than 34 years ago, Bill Downs, a published nutrition researcher and wellness product formulator, recognized the shortcomings of nutrition products and programs.
From the beginning, our team focused on establishing scientific validation as the foundation upon which our products, and ultimately our company, would be based. In short, real published science using premium quality ingredients would be VNI's standard of excellence.
That standard of scientific excellence has quickly moved VNI to the forefront of the nutritional science field. As we mentioned, for a variety of reasons, most supplements don't perform up to expectations because they can't deliver their ingredients to your cells. They just don't get in. Some companies have moved to a technology called liposomes to protect nutrients and improve their absorption levels. Liposomes are made up of water and fat-loving molecules called phospholipids, which mimic the membrane structure of the body's cells. While this is a welcome improvement, the truth is that liposomes still have big limitations in what they can carry, are generally unstable, they fall apart, and are unable to cover a full spectrum of nutrient needs. VNI's Prodosome technology has taken huge strides with this concept and moved it to an entirely new level. What are protosomes? While traditional liposomes involve a limited number of nutrients, VNI's protosomes are singularly unique molecules comprised of multiple layers of clusters of energetically enhanced and stable liposomes encapsulating a wide range of minerals, nutrients, and plant phytonutrients, now called a protosome.
These clusters of energetically enhanced protosomes are packed within another protosome, and clusters of those protosomes are packed within another protosome, and so on, making numerous sequential, energetically enhanced, nutrient-dense phospholipid layers, all able to hold, transport, and release countless nutrients into the cells simultaneously.
Why is this cutting-edge structure so important? Most products offer only a limited bioavailability over a short time frame. Prodosome's multi-layered structure, on the other hand, provides a stable, rapid, and prolonged release of various nutrients simultaneously over several hours, feeding the body cells throughout the day for optimal nutrition. And you can have the ultimate trust in the Prodosome technology, as it has been the subject of numerous clinical studies. These peer-reviewed trials, which have been published by recognized international journals, such as the Journal of the American College of Nutrition and the Journal of Functional Foods in Health and Disease, are high standards for nutrition research, especially for finished products.
Prodosomes offer what no other product can even come close to achieving: synchronized absorption 100% of the time, and it's completely validated by science.
The Prodosome technology is so amazing that VNI uses it in every one of its world-class products, providing nutrition that gets in.
We wanted to address today's most pressing nutrition needs and the fact that each of our products features protosome absorption, which means we can do that like no other company or product.
Prodovite is a patent-pending liquid multivitamin, mineral, and phytonutrient complex that uses V&I's exclusive Prodosome technology to promote rapid and prolonged absorption of its ingredients. Prodovite supplies complementary nutrients for maximum synergistic benefits, ranging from improved health of the blood and increased energy to enhanced immune function, all of which are foundational to overall health and well-being. Patented Brain Reward is a cutting-edge product that delivers unsurpassed focus, concentration, cognition, and mood support. Brain Reward's exclusive formulation nutritionally helps correct brain imbalances to regulate cravings for weight management, relieve stress, and optimize mood. If you've been searching for a mental and mood edge, Brain Reward is your answer. Enzymes are needed for everything our cells do. A huge challenge with our modern food system is that it is devoid of critical enzymes found in whole foods. Destroyed by poor agricultural practices and overprocessing, our foods simply don't deliver the enzymes and nutrients we need for effective digestion and absorption. N-Sorb's proprietary exclusive formula addresses this problem head-on. N-Sorb supports digestion of proteins, fats, and carbs, supports gastrointestinal function, and strengthens immune function and metabolism for improved overall energy and vitality. Excessive free radicals cause excessive wear and tear on the body, overburden our immune systems, and reduce energy and quality of life. Thion Extra is the perfect solution. Its novel formulation promotes the production and activity of SOD and glutathione, the body's ultra-powerful antioxidants that protect cellular DNA and deliver other anti-aging benefits. Looking to renew and reinvigorate your wellness? Thion Extra is the answer.
I was an airline pilot for over 39 years for a major airline. I became very sick, found out I had aerotoxin syndrome, and I actually lost hope. When I was introduced to Victory Nutrition products, I believe that they changed my life. I've been taking Victory Nutrition products for 3 years, and I feel like I have my life back.
I'm a former athlete, college tennis player, and a busy businessman with a partnership in a country club and own a real estate agency. The most important thing to our life as a family, I have a wife and 2 daughters, is that they have the best nutrition possible, and Victory Nutrition delivers those results for our family.
As an athlete and as a coach and mentor for so many athletes over the last 30 years, I'm always looking for an edge. I'm always looking for the right products and nutrition, not only for myself, but for the people that trust in my judgment. You know, people are searching. They're hoping for something. They're hoping for better health. They're hoping for a better lifestyle. Well, you know, with Victory Nutrition, they can find and grab onto that hope through the science of good health and victory.
V&I's unprecedented scientific validation, premium quality ingredients in world-class products combine to form a platform of unique business validation through which you can achieve your dreams and enjoy a life of genuine abundance. And there are a variety of compelling reasons why teaming with V&I is the perfect fit for you.
The timing is absolutely perfect with V&I. We're a young, fast-growing company with a rock-solid foundation and stability, and none of the risks of a startup. Our future is bright, and we are a company on the rise.
V&I also offers a predictable business model. We don't want you to reinvent the wheel, so our systems, tools, and support are all geared to help you hit the ground running and establish a path of success that can last a lifetime.
As an insurance agent, I understand the power of residual income. With Victory Nutrition, I not only have power in products, but I have power of financial freedom for the rest of my life.
V&I is a wonderful company backed by real science on the finished products. We have Prodosome Technology. No other company can come close to that. We're touching thousands of lives.
And it makes a difference. I mean, we're able to help people on a daily basis. What a wonderful mission.
I'm happy to share Victory Nutrition because the product works. And anything that works, like Victory Nutrition products, I take the Prodovite vitamin, I want to share. And when you share, you create the opportunity for others to create health, hope, and abundance.
Like most other people, you're looking for more in life. Improved health and wellness, more time, freedom, and flexibility. Solutions for financial prosperity and abundance. The good news is V&I offers you all of that and more.
From the beginning, we've been committed to providing a standard of excellence, not just in our products and the benefits they deliver, but also in all aspects of our company. We want each of our partners to know that with V&I, they're making a great contribution to improving the quality of life for others as they create the life they want.
So what are you waiting for? Want a life of health, hope, and abundance? You can achieve your goals. You can enjoy newfound success. You can make a difference. You can have it all with Victory Nutrition International.